Hey guys, Mark and Swan here. If you're looking at this video, you want to know how you could generate more leads, sales, and reps and maximize the compensation plan for your young living business. And that means that you have the right mindset because network marketing is personal development with a product attached to it. The top earners have simply studied the craft. I want you to be present on this video because I'm going to drop a lot of golden nuggets, reveal industry secrets rapid fire. Absolutely no fluff, no time wasting, all facts. Saving the number one bonus for the very end, so stay tuned for those instant results. I'm going to show you exactly how I went from being virtually unknown to becoming the number one lead generator in one of my companies. You're going to learn the best ways to generate leads online, even if you're currently unknown with virtually zero technical skill required. I'm going to show you my exact, simple, three-step strategy that I use to hit the leaderboards for recruiting with one company and to hit the leaderboards for sales with a completely different company. You're going to learn how to get a minimum of 100 or more highly qualified and targeted leads to you within the next 30 days. So you never have to chase people again, so you never have to cold message people. In this way, you can attract highly targeted and qualified leads to you of people who actually buy. Ultimately, you can start having the freedom and lifestyle that you dreamed of when you started this business in the first place. How many of you would like to have a business working for you instead of the other way around? You're going to get my exact YouTube Fast Start Blueprint and my exact Facebook Fast Start Blueprint. Let's hop right in. For YouTube, you want to identify the keyword that you want to go after. This is done by looking at what others who already have the success that you want, looking at what they have done, and creating updated content going after the same keywords. You're going to use a tool called TubeBuddy to do this. With this tool, you're going to be able to get the exact keywords that you need. You're going to go to the video that you want to replicate, click on the video, and copy the tags to a Word document. Create a coherent title with the keyword phrase and use your title to go after multiple keywords while still making sense. Create a description that's about 300 words long and scatter your keywords throughout. Place the link at the top of this description. By doing this, you're going to be able to rank on Google and YouTube and get traffic to your offer and by ranking for these keywords on those search engines. You're going to create a thumbnail using canva.com and save the thumbnail as your primary keywords. It's important to remember, you don't want to reinvent the wheel. It's okay to be a copycat, just copy the right cat. You don't want to copy word for word verbatim exactly what somebody said, but you want to make your content about 3 to 5 minutes long and you want to go after the same keywords. Use Open Broadcast System to share your screen and save the video as your keyword optimized title. For Facebook, you want to find out exactly where your target audience is hanging out. So that's your target audience and the people who are in your niche. It's a common mistake to think your marketing is for everyone under the sun. Your marketing is not for everyone. If you're marketing to everyone, you're essentially marketing to no one. You want to find people who are like-minded, and in this case, most likely, it's going to be like-minded network marketers. Once you find these people, you want to reach out and say, "Hey, Mary, I almost didn't reach out to you, but then I decided to anyways. I noticed the comments that you've been making on the Tony Robbins fan page, and it seems like we have the same mindset when it comes to work ethic. I think it would be great if we could connect. I would love to chat with you. What exactly do you do for work?" So you say something along those lines. Make sure that you actually look at their profile, and honesty is the best policy here. And having a genuine message like this, doing this 5 to 10 times per day, you're going to start to build your audience. As you build your audience, you want to engage with your audience on your timeline by posting pictures, fill in the blanks, and asking questions. You can go to the top groups, which are the Robert Kiyosaki group, Tony Robbins fan page. You want to be making 5 to 10 connections each day. And again, your mindset should be around making connections and not closing prospects. You don't want to be the person in there trying to pitch people. It's not going to work out well if you do that. You want to post curiosity versus resistance. So 90% personal, 10% about your business. So the 10% about your business could be results for people on your team or your own results. And the 90% personal, you want those to be pictures of yourself at the beach, hanging out, eating food, inspirational quotes, and those kind of things. And a curiosity post actually can lead to your business. And here's a good example. This morning I made a great smoothie with apples, oranges, mangoes, green powder, and almond milk. I had energy all day long. Some people may reach out to you and ask you what that green powder is, and that green powder may have something to do with your business. Guys, I hope you got value from this. If you did, feel free to continue your education by clicking the link in the description. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll walk you through and hold your hand and show you exactly how I'm able to generate 10 to 20 red hot leads a day, where some people sign up into my business on autopilot. I want the same for you. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll show you where I no longer have to hunt down family and friends, blitz at the mall, and do those kind of things. Instead, become the hunted with some modern day marketing techniques. Go ahead and click that link. Hope you guys got value from this, and I'll see you on the other side.